You're gonna love this. So hi, welcome back to the channel. As always, hope everyone is well. Just get that out of the way. The day has finally arrived. I am going to open the box and we'll see what's in it. Before we do that though, I put a post out on the community tab yesterday and asked for wrong answers only for what is actually inside the box. And it's good news, everyone got it wrong, so congrats. So I thought what we would do is read them out first. We'll start with Chris B, and I will put in some appropriate music just now. He asked, was it gentleman's literature? I wish it was, but you'd probably need a bigger box for that. We then had BB Mac, who said, is it the remains of your YouTube career? It was short-lived, but we enjoyed it. Too mean, but frighteningly accurate. We also had from Steve Johnson asking, have you kidnapped Ed China? Again, you would need a bigger box for that. The tall man might not quite fit neatly inside that box. From Vito, are you stocking up with a box full of toilet paper for the next pandemic? Yeah, that's again probably big brain tactics on display there. I'm not reading this one out from the Street Sleeper, but I'll put it on the screen. Yep, that's a different order that comes twice a week. And the last one from Terminal Connection, and I want to do this justice. Some people will get this, some people won't. I quite like this. Is it an Aurora Borealis? An Aurora Borealis at that time of day, localised entirely inside that box? Yes.
That's it? No.
So, I've delayed it long enough. Shall we see what's inside the box? It's actually... There's a bit of a story behind this. We'll get to it in a minute, but I've had this box now for 4 days and I've been waiting for a decent enough day to get out so that we could go film it somewhere and open it. I haven't actually opened the box at all. So, yeah. What I'll say just now is that about 2 weeks ago I was contacted by a gentleman, and he is a gentleman. In fact, I would go so far as to say a legend by the name of Cohen. Now, I can't say any more details apart from that because he doesn't want me to do that. But yeah, all I will say just now is, Cohen, you're a legend, and thank you from the bottom of my heart. Unless this box is filled with, like, you know, those foam bits that you get, and the thing that I'm expecting to be in here is not in here, then you're a... Well, I won't say it just now, but you would know what you would be, but I believe you're a legend. So, let's get this open, shall we? I didn't bring a knife. This has come from mainland Europe. And here we go. AMSR, eat your heart out. ASMR, AMSR, whatever. This has some great advertising on the box for Lidl. I just want to say that it's not sponsored by them. Bloody hell. Right, we're in. Just about. Let's get that out, we don't need that anymore. Yeah. Moment of truth. He's a man of his word. I think. Packing. What I have been sent is bubble wrap. And that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. I know what that is. Yeah, this is all legit. So, the biggie, this is the one that we're after. Can you, I don't want to say, can you guess what it is yet, because, well, the times have changed. But, yeah. You figured it out yet? I can't believe this is it! Oh, fuck the bubble wrap. Come on! I'll tell you this much, Cohen, you've really wrapped this well. And I know what it is. I can see it. Come on. Come out, come out, come out. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, Scarlett now has a Jackson Racing cold air intake system for a 1.8 litre engine. Thanks to Cohen from Belgium. Oh my god! It's the real deal. I need a minute. Right, I've had a minute, so story time. I can't believe. I mean, I knew. You know, it's that thing where you have that level of a slight level of paranoia going. I've put this out on the internet several months ago that I'm desperately looking for one of these, and I'll pay whatever to get one. And you know, just randomly out the blue to have someone messaging you about it, and then you go, is this legit? I mean, I knew it was. It's that thing of I knew it was, but my significant other, who is not as, I wouldn't say trusting, but who probably looks at it without the rose-tinted spectacles on that I have whenever it comes to anything to do with this car. She's like, how do you know you can trust it? I'm like, come on, it's you know, it's the MX-5 community. Surely not. Surely someone's not going to be that like that, you know, and send me a package just full of bubble wrap. Like, but yeah, clearly not. Again, Cohen, thank you so much. So basically what happened, literally a fortnight ago, I was out at work hating my job as is mandatory every day, and I just got this email, and I don't believe this. I'm looking at it going, no way. Cohen had just randomly stumbled upon some of the channel videos, and he watched the Jackson Racing intake video that I'd done a couple of months back, and I don't know why he hasn't fitted it, but he had that sitting and he's just never fitted it to his MX-5, and yeah, asked me if I wanted it. We agreed a price, and here we are. I honestly, I can't believe it. I'm a little bit kind of lost for words right now, even though I knew it was legit. He sent me so many pictures, all sorts of things, even pictures of his car, but I won't put them on me as per he's quite a private man, so, you know, that's totally understandable, totally get it. But he's got a beautiful MX-5, and he's, yeah, legend. Thank you. Yeah, that's all I've got for you. That's what was in the box. The Jackson Racing cold air intake. It's significant because as much as I want to go down the route of either doing like a VVT swap or ITBs on a VVT or something like that, that's going to be years away before we end up doing anything like that. It will be years before that happens. So right now, my main aim was to get the hot air intake away from the exhaust and get it to a cold air intake, and either the Jackson Racing or the Arc intake are the two types that you would want. Now obviously they don't make either anymore, but it's just the best. And yeah, that's all I'm going to say just now, because I am actually a little bit giddy. It's like, you know, what it's like at Christmas. when you get something that you've always wanted. I really didn't think... I gave up, to be completely honest. I totally gave up that we were going to get one of these for Scarlet. I thought maybe, you know, okay, I'm going to make this video, and I actually thought maybe someone at Jackson Racing will see this and take pity and might suggest that they'll do a limited run or something. I know that sounds, it might sound a wee bit egomaniacal, but it's not. It's just that I thought, I've got to put that out there, because, like, why do they not make it anymore? People would buy it. But yeah, it wasn't to be. Someone from the Jackson Racing team did get back to me at the time and said, you know, well, just don't think there's a market for it. You know, fair enough, your loss. But yeah, I can't believe we've got that now. Yeah, I think we'll leave it there until I get it fitted, which is going to be the next video up on the channel, would you believe? Fitting it though, pretty straightforward. Obviously, fitting a Jackson Racing cold air intake is very easy. You just there, done. And on that note, if you have been, thank you very much for watching, and again, much love to Cohen over in Belgium. Thank you so much. And yeah, on that note, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.